welcome back to another video. Today is a get your life together, get motivated with me type of video. I am spending the weekend getting my life together. I'm cleaning, organizing, planning, doing all the things that I need to do after spending a little bit over a week traveling. I spent Mother's Day weekend in LA visiting family. I got to see my grandparents. I got to see my cousins that I haven't seen in a while. And then I went back home right after that to where I'm from. And that was so nice and lovely, spending time with my family and friends. Does something to my soul, and it always leaves me feeling so grounded and at peace and fulfilled. And now I am back home. So I need to get my stuff together. This weekend, that's what I'm doing. Today on the agenda, I'm going to be doing some laundry. I'm also going to be organizing my apartment a bit, and I need to go through some packages and do things like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so laundry is going, kitchen is clean and organized. I pretty much unpacked my suitcase. I just have to clean up my office, as you can see. So a few weeks ago, Verse reached out to me wanting to send me some products to try out. They're a skincare line. I know that they're sold at Target. That's actually where I have seen them, and I've actually tried their products before. So this is what their packaging looks like. They are cruelty-free, vegan, and sustainable minded. The first thing that I got was their Mood Lightening Luminizing Glow Drops. So it says it's made for all skin types, and it is an illuminizing serum. I have the one in sheer golden. It says that you can wear this under makeup or with your lotion, so it really depends. I'm going to try out both ways and see how that is. The next thing that I got is Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream. I'm really big on moisturizers, and this one has squalene and red algae extracts. I also got the Gentle Cycle Milky Cleanser with oat milk and probiotics. It says it's vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, which is really important for my sensitive skin, dye-free, and from recycled materials. So I'm excited to try out this cleanser. I prefer gentle cleansers like this because I tend to use harsher products throughout my skincare routine, so we'll see how that one is. Next up, I also got the Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. This one has willow bark extract and zinc blend. So this serum is to help with problematic skin or your pores as well. The Instant Resurfacing Mask, but this one has AHA and BHA complex and pineapple enzymes. It says that this is a weekly radiance boosting mask that resurfaces skin with exfoliating acids and fruit enzymes. And then they were also kind enough to include a headband for when you're doing your skincare, obviously, so I'm excited to use this as well. I don't have one like this. This is all that I got. I am so grateful and excited to try out these products, and I actually have a coupon code as well if you guys are interested in trying any of these products or anything that is listed on their website. I'll include the code right here somewhere, and it'll also be in the description bar.
and and my mom, Tay, who will be my baby's best aunts and
Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. It is about 10 a.m. I just got my coffee ready and I did some laundry earlier, and right now I am about to sit down and start brainstorming, planning for the week. On Sundays, I like to reflect on the previous week and also plan for the week ahead. What I like to plan are my goals, things I want to accomplish, goals I want to hit, content I want to create for the week. I also like to plan out my meals. I'm not super strict on meal planning or planning meals on specific days. I just like to have an idea of what I want to cook for that week so that I can have everything, go grocery shopping, do all that. If you're interested in an in-depth version of how I plan and organize my life, I actually created a video all about that. I'll post it right here. It'll also be in the description bar where I go into super detail on how I do everything that I'm about to do right now. So productive Sunday. We are getting our lives together, one iced coffee at a time.